welcome to Space Oddities. Hope everybody's well tonight. Thank you for joining us this close to Christmas. This will, of course, be the last one before Christmas. We hope you're looking forward to the festivities, and may Santa bring you whatever it is you want. So anyway, it's quiz night on Space Oddities. So we hope you've got pen and paper ready, because you'll need them unless you've got a remarkable memory. So get your pen and paper ready, and Michael will be hosting the quiz this evening, and we are offering a prize for the quiz. And just let me show you what exactly this lovely prize is. Just give me one moment, and I will show you exactly what it is. So the winner of the quiz tonight will receive a copy of the 2026 Yearbook of Astronomy, edited by our good friend Brian Jones, who you may know from Space Oddities. It's a wonderful book, wonderful prize. So whoever is top dog in the quiz tonight will walk away. Well, not walk away, we'll send it to you, but will be sent a copy of the 2026 Yearbook of Astronomy, a venerable publication that Brian's been editing for decades. So that's a lovely prize. So joining me this evening, we have got Roger. Hi, Rog.
Good evening.
And obviously Michael.
Hey, good evening.
That's his name, obviously Michael.
Yes.
And Dave. How are you, Dave?
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Yeah, Dave joining us from Southern California. So where the weather is a hell of a lot better there than it is in Spain. We've got 6 degrees and rain here. So there you are. The snow not too far away, but I don't think we'll just be getting rain over Christmas, unfortunately. Anyway, we'd like to welcome you viewers, as we always do. Let's just have a quick look in the chat. Thomas is here. Hi, Thomas. Pauline's here. Hi, Pauline. Hello. Happy Christmas to you all.
Hi, Pauline.
And Michael says hi, if you had trouble interpreting that. So you're more than welcome. And if anybody else is lurking, just say hi in the chat. We'd love to see who's here this evening, obviously. So there you are. So what we're going to do, we're going to devote most of this evening to the quiz. So we haven't got our regular features. We've got the quiz, although Roger absolutely insisted on doing a nice sky guide for this week. So he'll be doing that, because bless him, he's quite lost without doing it every week. So we gave it a session of doing that. So there won't be any news, no Einstein of the week. And Dave won't be doing his this weekend either. So the majority of tonight's show will be the quiz. So without more ado, if everybody is ready, we will move straight on to the quiz. We'll come back to you later, Roger.
Okay. So there we go. Good evening, everyone. And just to put the house in order, this is what we have to do with the quiz to negate YouTube from any wrong information or disinformation or anything like that. And liability, of course. So just read that. How's that? Yeah.
Well, I think we need to read it out. So let me read it out.
Okay,
so,
you read it out.
We have to do this, unfortunately, legally for YouTube purposes. So this quiz adheres to all YouTube community guidelines. Space Oddities agrees to release YouTube from any and all liability in the running of this competition. For a complete list of competition rules, please email info@spaceoddities.space.
Okay.
So there you are. That's the legal stuff out of the way.
Right, great. So on to the quiz. I hope you've all got a pen and paper ready. This quiz has 15, I think it might be 16 questions altogether of different subjects. 5 questions for each subject matter. And we'll go through the questions now. And
the very best of luck.
And the very best of luck, of course. So the first section is general astronomy. So that's what we're all about here. So here's the first few questions. Question 1. What is unusual about the stars Alpha Andromedae, known as Alpheratz, and Delta Pegasi?
You sure Roger didn't write this quiz?
No. So
It's
that is
unusual about them.
all right. So you might have to think about that one. They're not all like us. Okay, question 2. Easy one. In which constellation would you find Messier 35?
Oh, God. Can I ask you a favour?
Go on.
Can you change the Messier number?
No.
Okay, I think I know that
Okay.
one.
Question 3. Name the largest volcano in the solar system. Should be easy. Question 4. Which planet has moons named Despina, Proteus, and Galatea? Which planet has moons named Despina, Proteus, and Galatea? Okay. And question 5. What is the term for the alignment of 3 celestial bodies in the gravitational system, such as the Sun, the Moon, and the Earth during an eclipse?
It's an eclipse.
It's an alignment. That's all.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
See, I was right.
Alignment of planetary bodies, yes. So that's the first 5 questions out of the way. You want me to go through any more? Any of them again yet?
Yeah, do that at the end.
Okay. Right. Now, the next few questions are on spaceflight. Okay.
Right.
Why is that not going? Oh, so question 6. A modern space company has its home base in Augsburg, Germany. What is the historical astronomical significance of Augsburg? I can give you a clue on that if you want to do.
Yeah, go on.
Think star atlases.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's question 6. Question 7. Who was the first human female to fly into space? Okay, question 8. Oops.
It's in Kazakhstan.
Sorry, that's my. I've done the same again, haven't I?
Yeah.
Sorry. I'll give you this one. In which country is the Baikonur Cosmodrome located? Oh dear. I went through all these as well.
And you were laughing at your astronomical society.
I know.
The same thing.
Yeah, I know. Can't believe that. Can you believe that?
I think it's called Hoist by Your Own Petard. There.
Yes, yes. I hope that's the only one. Question 9. Which spacecraft became the fastest human-made object in space? Oops. And question 10. What is the maximum number of visiting spacecraft that can be docked to the International Space Station? Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Third section is space in the movies and TV. All right. Right. Oops.
Right. Just before we go on, it's being reported by a few of you that there's a terrible delay.
I have been getting one or two messages to say my connection has been lost a couple of times.
Right.
So carry on.
Carry on. Please let us know if it persists, viewers, and we'll have to do something.
Question 11. Name the movie this still is taken from.
That's easy.
Thought it might be. And there's a bonus question on this question as well.
Yeah.
Who wrote the screenplay?
I know that one as well.
Okay. Right. Question 12. Which iconic sci-fi movie released in 1968 features a cast including Keir Dullea, Gary Lockwood, and British actor Leonard Rossiter? I think you all should all know this one.
Yep.
Okay.
Rising Damp in Space.
That's the one.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you the last three questions. I'm going to show you images, and I want you to name the movie or the TV show that these are from. Okay.
Yeah.
Question 13. Sorry, that's rather high. I don't know why that's rather high. Okay.
Yeah.
Question 14.
What the hell?
I think I know that.
Sorry?
Nothing go.
I have zoomed in on the picture on that one.
It shows.
Yeah. And question 15, that one.
Right.
Yes. And I think that's the last of the questions. Yes, it is.
Right. Do you want to flip back to the beginning?
Yeah, I can do.
Just go through them again. Viewers, are you still getting a delay? Is it still bad? Tell us if it is.
Okay, right. Okay then. I can't edit on here, can I? So, first 5 questions. What is unusual about Alpha Andromedae, Alphax, and Delta Pegasi? I'll say that when that came up at Bromsgrove, I knew the answer. In which constellation would you find Messier 35? Name the largest volcano in the solar system. Which planet has moons named Despina, Proteus, and Galatea? And number 5, what is the term for the alignment of 3 celestial bodies in the gravitational system, such as the Sun, the Moon, and Earth in an eclipse? Okay, space flights. A modern space company has its home base in Augsburg, Germany. What is the historical astronomical significance of Augsburg? And question 7, who was the first human female to fly in space? Question 8, I'll give you the answer because that's I'm feeling kind. The Baikonur Cosmodrome. Question 9, which spacecraft became the fastest human-made object in space? Question 10, what is the maximum number of spacecrafts that can be docked to the International Space Station? Currently, that is. Question, okay, now get on to space in movies and TV. Question 11, name the movie this still is taken from. Bonus question, who wrote the screenplay? Question 12, which iconic sci-fi movie released in 1968 features a cast including Keir Dullea, Gary Lockwood, and British actor Leonard Rossiter? And question 13 is name the sci-fi or movie that the following images are taken from. Question 13 is this one. Question 14 is this one. And question 16 is this one.
Well, how are you scoring these, Michael?
So there'll be scores, 1 point for each correct answer, scores out of 16, including the one I've already given you.
What about the three images there?
It's still 1 point each.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's out of 16
altogether.
No, because if it's one for each of the images, surely it's 17.
Well, there's 3 images.
Yeah, 1 point for each.
Yes.
Right. So there are 15 questions. Question 11 has got 2 points. Yes.
So that's 16 altogether.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay.
Does anybody in the audience want to repeat of any questions?
Right. Do you want to move on with the answers to save us having a black screen, Michael?
Yeah. Okay. I will go on to the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. First question. Okay. Basically, Alpha Andromedae and Delta Pegasi are the same star.
Yeah, I knew that. I got that one.
Yeah. It's historically shared between the Andromeda and Pegasus constellations, but now officially assigned to Andromeda. There is no Delta Pegasi now. Actually, so yeah. All right. Yeah. Question 2. Messier 35 is in Germany.
Damn.
And to prove it, there it is.
Oh,
Prove it.
Okay.
That's either proof or you just put a little dot on it
Yeah,
and
exactly.
slide next to it.
We know your game. We know your game.
And a long time ago, I have seen it in binoculars as well. So yes.
Is that arrow there as well?
No.
Well, there you go. There's an arrow. So what more can you want?
Yeah. Okay. And then largest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons.
Yeah.
Which planet has the moons Despina, Proteus, and Galatea? Is Neptune.
Neptune. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I did not get that, and I thought I knew that.
I got it.
I obviously didn't include Triton in the question.
No.
Right. And the term for the alignment of three celestial bodies in the such as the sun, moon, and Earth in an eclipse is syzygy.
Yep.
Yep. SYZYGY.
As far as I know, it's the only word in the English alphabet with 3 Y's in it.
All right.
Huh.
Right. Okay.
In the English language, as I say, not the alphabet.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Syzygy. All right.
Yeah.
Space flight again then. So question 6 about the space company in Augsburg. The historical astronomical significance is John Bayer's Uranometria was published in 1603 in Augsburg in Germany. Okay.
And the name of the company is Rocket Factory Augsburg.
That's the one. I could have used that as a bonus, but so you can have a bonus question, bonus now if that's if you got that. Question 7: Who was the first human female to fly into space? Was Valentina Tereshkova. Question 8: The country which Baikonur Cosmodrome is located is Kazakhstan.
I got that wrong.
I don't believe you. Question 9: Which spacecraft became the fastest human-made object? That's the Parker Solar Probe.
Right.
So flying just 3.8 million miles above the surface of the sun, and achieving 430,000 miles per hour. Achieved in this time last year, actually.
Yeah.
12th of December.
Yeah.
Question 10: The maximum number of spacecraft that can be docked to the International Space Station. 8.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got that.
Right. Can you,
Did you really?
You can name them all now. I've got them on the screen.
Yeah.
So, 2 SpaceX Dragons, Cygnus XL, JAXA, HTV X1, 2 Roscosmos Soyuz crew spacecraft, and 2 Progress cargo ships.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah. All right. So that was question 10. And the movies. Name this movie this still is taken from.
You only
Spice, James Bond.
And I believe, if I remember rightly, the screenplay was by Roald Dahl. Of all
It
people.
was.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah. I only found that out myself recently.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
God. Try
Yeah.
to keep Michael. I've known that since I was 8.
Hey. Right. And question 12, of course. I think everybody's got this one. It's 2001: A Space Odyssey, but you must have the full title.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course, that was the famous space station in the movie. Okay. And then question 13. These are the pictures I'm going to show you now. First one, Independence Day, 1996.
I thought it was Donald Trump preparing the White House for the new ballroom, but I
Yeah. Very good.
Oh, it was Space 1999.
Yeah, I don't know if you
yeah,
ever
Space
saw it,
1999. I
Yeah.
did know that.
1975. Can you believe it? Well, you can.
50
Yeah.
years ago.
I know.
I hated that program. It was a load of crap.
I know.
It was a little silly. It was a little silly, yeah.
Stupid, Right.
Very silly.
You didn't have to look at the science in it, Andy.
I can't help it.
And question 15.
Oh, come on, a woman
Yeah.
that could change into a leopard or whatever it was.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah, right. Like that's going to happen.
Yeah. And that was the day the Earth stood still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the name of the robot was?
Klaatu?
Oh,
No.
Gort.
Gort.
Gort. Yes, it was Gort.
I always get that mixed up.
and Klaatu was the code word, right, to make it stop or something.
To Barada Nikto.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Never mind.
Oh, dear
Very
me.
good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Okay.
Ooh. Right.
All right then. So there we have it. So viewers, there seem to be many people watching tonight, but it is Christmas. We didn't expect a big turnout tonight. So what you have to do, just add up your number of points, and I'll tell you when to put them in the chat. I'll give you a moment to add up all your points, and then when I tell you, just put your score in the chat if you would, and we'll see how we do. See who's top dog.
Oh, I see Derek put, is this supposed to be a fun quiz?
Yeah.
Yes, I saw that.
You've got to have some more odd ones in there, haven't we?
Yeah. Okay. Right. So if you know your number of points, now put your points in the chat if you would.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
In your own time.
It's all right. When you're ready. Did anybody actually take part in this quiz?
There we go.
Oh, here we are.
Steve's got 5.
Derek got 8. Any others? We only have 2 people taking part in the quiz.
Oh no.
Wait.
Oh, Sandra 6.
Sandra 6.
Careful,
Bad luck,
6.
Sandra. That's
No,
not so
6
bad.
That's not so bad, no.
Okay. Any more? 5 from
I'll probably
Pauline.
get 5. Yeah.
Well, what did you get, Andy? Like,
Oh,
sounding
I
you
got
knew everything.
I got 12.
Wow.
What about you, Dave?
I got 8.
Oh.
I thought I would do better than that, but no.
Jerry's got 7.
Yeah, Jerry's got 7.
Roger?
8.
Hey, oh.
Yeah, okay. I kept up with Roger then. I feel good.
Oh, right.
Mike Beer says, too embarrassed to say, even got Kazakhstan wrong.
But you spelled it correctly though, Mike.
Yeah.
Got all the movie ones. Yep. Yeah, me too. That's where I got most of my points.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ian McIntyre says 42. No, you didn't. Ian. No. Okay, we're going to close the points within the next 30 seconds, another 30 seconds, and then we'll declare the winner. Okay, any more points to come in? Last chance. Okay, that's it then. All the points are in. So we'd like to declare the winner, who I believe is Derek.
Hey.
So let me confirm that. I think Derek was top dog with 8, if I'm quite right. Yes, I think that is.
Oh, Ian only just arrived.
Oh.
That's no excuse.
Yeah. How can I put this in a way that won't upset you? Tough.
Yeah.
So there we are. Okay, so congratulations to Derek, who is the winner of the 2025 Christmas quiz. Derek, if you'd like to drop us an email with your address, we might probably already have it somewhere, but drop us an email with your address just address it to info@spaceoddities.space. Send us an email to info@spaceoddities.space with your postal address, and we will get the book dispatched to you as soon as we can, although you might not get it till after Christmas, what with the post and everything else. But Derek says, I'm gobsmacked. Well, Derek, you did very well. You beat everybody. Nice one, Derek. Indeed. So well done, sir. And we'll get the book off to you as soon as we can. Okay?
And it's not running up, it's taking part.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, Pauline says, thanks, Michael. That was fun.
Yeah.
And
thanks, Michael.
Thank you, Michael. And
I'll pay you next month, Pauline.
yeah, so Derek, just drop us an email at info@spaceoddities.space and with your postal address, and we'll get the book off to you. There we are. Thank you all for taking part. I'm sure we'll do it again next year. And there we are. Okay, well, let's move on. Just a couple of things that have been in the news recently that I think we wanted to touch on. First of all, NASA's MAVEN spacecraft, which has been orbiting Mars for 10 years, trying to work out why Mars lost its atmosphere. And the data has indicated that it was largely the solar wind that dissipated Mars' atmosphere. A couple of weeks ago, it went silent when it disappeared behind Mars. Social media was full of conspiracy theories that it was the aliens on board Comet 3i Atlas that had zapped it because it had discovered something they didn't. I have no idea, but that's what was going around. It's gone back to life. It's re-established connection with the Earth, and it seems to be functioning normally. So it will carry on in its studies of the Martian atmosphere. So that's good news. So it's not all doom and gloom. The MAVEN spacecraft is back online, so that's fantastic. Secondly, NASA has a new administrator. Jared Isaacman was finally confirmed by the Senate in a bipartisan vote. So this is good news, I think. Dave, what do you think about this being a NASA person?
I am going to reserve judgment till I see what happens. I mean, the way things are going at NASA, I hope it means things will change, because right now I don't think things are going well, and maybe he will come in and actually change things for the better. I'm going to wait and see. I'm really just not sure. I'm not sure what to expect.
Yeah. Did you read his Project Athena manifesto, if you like, about what he planned to do? Because it was
I didn't read the whole I mean, I read a summary of it, I suppose.
Yeah I think as you say, we'll just have to wait and see, because every single new NASA administrator always comes in with lots of brilliant ideas, and right. We'll have to see whether they get implemented or not. It's like every American
parts. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, Andy. Well, no. Yeah. Go ahead.
All I was going to say, but it's like every new American president, isn't it? They come in and we're going to go to the moon, we're going to go to Mars, and then when it actually comes to Congress giving NASA the money to do it, oh well, we didn't actually say we were going to give you money to do it. Yeah.
I guess that's even the third part. I was thinking there were two parts to it, and one is, what does he really want to do, or what does he think he can accomplish? And the accomplishments have to be done in like a term usually. I mean, and because you don't know what's going to happen, at the next election or the next, So that's one part, and the other part is how much is he going to be allowed to run things? Because depending on the administrators at NASA have been given either a lot of freedom to do what they want, or they've been held on a tight rein. This appears more to be a kind of tight rein kind of administration, but I guess we'll see.
Yeah, and not wishing to seem controversial, but it's about time NASA had a decent administrator, to be honest. Because I thought Bill Nelson was dreadful as a NASA administrator. Although, given his experience,
Right.
I think he should have been better. But thank you very much, Ian, for your donation. Thank you very much. I think he was all PR and very little substance in my opinion, and he was also so clearly against involving the private sector with NASA, and he was really anti that. So we will see. But it's not an easy job, obviously, and especially, as you say, not at the moment with the state that NASA is in at the moment. And we'll see. We'll just have to wait and see. But he is the youngest ever NASA administrator.
Is that right? I didn't realize that.
At the age of 42, he's the youngest ever NASA administrator. So perhaps having some younger blood manning the helm will be a good thing. He's certainly got the energy. I mean, if you look at what Jared Isaacman has done, he's got an amazing track record, absolutely amazing. Everything from fast jets. He circumnavigated the globe in a Cessna to raise, it's true, to raise money for charity. He's been a big charity fundraiser, especially with the two missions he's been commander of. Raising money for the St. Jude's Children's Hospital. The first one raised 240 million for St. Jude's, and the second one, I'm not sure, the Polaris Dawn mission, but that raised hundreds of millions as well. I'm not sure the exact figure.
Yeah.
So
and isn't he going to donate his salary to one of the NASA historical centers?
Yes, he is. He is. So he's not even taking a salary.
Yeah.
So there we are. Welcome, Kenneth. Kenneth says,
I'm sure he'll get a tax statement, so it often take offset on tax.
Yeah, absolutely. And he's piloted everything from fighter jets to civil aircraft. I mean, he's done such a lot.
Right.
So we'll have to wait and see. But that's it really. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, so let's move on now to Roger. If you're ready, Roger. Roger's going to give us our normal what's in the night sky. So take it away, Roger. Roger, can you hear us? We've got problems with Roger. Okay, let's forget that then. Let's just get rid of this. I think Roger's having technical problems again. Put your thumbs up if you can hear us, Roger. We can't hear you. So we will come back to you, Roger. So just to let you know what we've got coming up Space Oddities, we are going to be here on the next week, the 30th, Tuesday, the 30th of December. We'll be doing a review of the year. We'll be picking our favorite news stories from the year and talking about them. So if you have any favorite news stories that you would like to share with us for the year, come along next Tuesday and put them in the chat, and we can discuss them. And so that's next Tuesday. In January, we will be welcoming Dr. Alan Stern to Space Oddities as our special guest. We're looking forward very much to chatting to Dr. Stern. He is the man behind the New Horizons mission to Pluto, as you might know, and we'll be talking to him about what we've learned about Pluto in the 10 years since New Horizons. January marks the 20th anniversary of the launch of New Horizons to Pluto, so we're probably going to be doing a bit about Pluto during January. So we'll keep you posted on that. Roger, can you say something?
Something.
There we are. Right, we've got Roger. Okay, so that's basically it. So Roger, over to you.
Is it there?
Yep, I'll just put it up here now. There we are. There you go.
Yay. Okay. My sound broke out, so I had to switch off and come back in again. So there we go. Not to worry. Okay, so why has that got the wrong one? Oh, hang on, we got last week's that. Why have we got that?
Yeah.
Hang on.
It's going well tonight.
I know. It'll be all right on the night eventually.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, hang on, just
nothing like live broadcasting.
Okay, just while Roger's sorting himself out, just the normal housekeeping bit, really. If you would like to support Space Oddities, you can do so in a few ways. You can go to buy us a coffee, and if you can either scan the QR link or click the link that's just appeared in the chat and buy us coffee, for which we're always really grateful. Thank you very much for that. You can also visit the Space Oddities shop and get your hoodies and t-shirts there. Your merchandise is there, very reasonable prices, and get them ready for get the t-shirts ready for summer, which is going to come, inevitable. So you can also get your hoodies for these winter months as well there. And of course, if you'd like to make a donation to Space Oddities directly, you can do so by clicking the super chat icon, which is the one with the $ immediately under the chat window. And why not join our Patreon page? The Patreon page you will find at patreon.com/Space Oddities. And just for a few measly pounds every month, you get lots of goodies from us, all the presentations that we do and so forth. But more to the point, you'll be helping to support Space Oddities. If you would like us to keep bringing you the science that we do every week, then your support is much appreciated, because we have bills to pay as much as anybody else does. So support Space Oddities by becoming a Patreon member, just for a few pounds a month, and that would really help us out. Join the community there. Okay, so if Roger's sorted himself out now, we will...
not quite. We've got the... Oh, God.
Oh, okay. We'll do this first.
We can do this first.
Yeah.
Just for a bit of fun. Right. Okay, so we did have just a few entries for this competition, unfortunately. But what we will do, we'll go through the images. They are all lettered, A to Z, if we had that many. And we'd like the view... Yeah. And what we'd like the viewers to do is to put either A, B, C, D, whatever, to in the chat, and then we can see who might have got the most votes.
Okay, so just to remind you, this is a competition. Doesn't have a prize, unfortunately, but it was just a bit of fun. Your task was to take a photograph of the constellation of Orion with a mobile phone of any description, and basically get bragging rights to the fact that you've won the Space Oddities Viewers Gallery Orion photo competition with a mobile phone. So there you are.
Yes.
Okay.
So there we go.
Over to you.
Right. Okay, so the first one is this one.
Oh, hang on.
Sure.
I'm just going to turn off the floating thing so we can see the images.
Otherwise, you'll be getting the balls through the Orion Nebula. Otherwise, that could be confusing.
Oh,
That's nice.
that wasn't taken from this country.
So that is image A.
Yes. Okay. And then we have image B.
Wow.
That's a surprise.
Yeah.
Wasn't expecting that.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very sharp.
Oh. Right. Okay. So, consequently, we have C.
Oh, that's nice.
That is nice.
Okay. And then lastly, D. Ooh.
Oh, nice bit of foreground. Excellent. Excellent. Right, could you just quickly go back through them, Roger?
I will do, yes.
Just go, yeah, right, okay.
So, A. Okay. B. C. And D.
Okay, viewers, if you were just in the chat, just put which one you think was the best image or your favorite image, and let's see who's won this little competition for the best Orion photograph with a mobile phone. And it is quite amazing what mobiles can do these days, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
So A, B, C, or D in the chat, please. Okay. Any other votes? Okay. Okay, any other votes? No. Okay, I'd like to declare the voting closed. And we have a winner, A. And yeah. Roger, would you like to tell us who has won, please?
Oh gosh. Hang on.
I hope you know.
I hope I haven't. No, I need a total. I need the total up. How many we got of who?
A is the winner here. One.
Yeah, it
two,
looks pretty
three,
clear. Yeah.
4. Yeah,
He's the winner.
A's the winner.
Oh, right. In that case, Michael Murphy.
Michael Murphy, step
Hey.
forward, sir. You've won the Orion photo competition. So congratulations. And as I said, we haven't offered a prize for this, but there it is. And that is the winning image, obviously taken from the Southern Hemisphere, taken from Australia, because Michael's in Australia at the moment. But that's a lovely image of Orion. Lovely sky. Look at that.
Yep.
Absolutely stunning sky. And it's so weird seeing it like that. Isn't it? It's bizarre. So, Michael, you've won the competition, sir. So congratulations. And you are top dog. So you can tell all your friends and family that you won a competition at Christmas. So well done indeed. And thank you very much for that. Right. Okay. So we go over now to
Right, we have.
part, which is the what's on in the night sky. So let's go for this.
Okay, so just before Christmas and up to almost the end of the year. Already. There we go. I know. So we've had some comets, and we've got a few little planets still available to see in the night sky. So here we go. For those that might have a new telescope or something astronomical. Right, we're currently into the waxing, and for Christmas Day, it should be quite a good presentation of the 26% waxing crescent. So if anyone's got something to see with a clear sky, then that would be a nice image for the gallery.
Absolutely.
So we have during the 28th, which I've got here at 10 o'clock, we've got a set close to Saturn. So that's quite good. But we've also got our dominating winter constellations, especially of Orion and Taurus, and Jupiter dominating still underneath Castor and Pollux in Gemini. So all's well and good there.
Right.
As we can see, rising up in the east, we're starting to get some of the spring constellations, namely Leo, which is one of the major holders of all the galaxies. So galaxy season will be coming soon, but not just yet. Not just yet. But before to that, we've got hang on. Pick on the right side. Just before sunrise, we have got Mercury, which is visible. So keep an eye on that if you can. But rather closely following sunrise, we've got Venus, and then almost the other side, same distance visually from Earth, is Mars. So those will be near impossible to see really with the sun's bright glare, and it's very bit dangerous anyway, a bit close to to any observation or safety reasons for that. So just to say. So we've still got Atlas about. It is now going away, finally, staying on course for leaving our solar system and off into infinity and beyond. So it's been estimated that it's about 7 billion years old. So there we go. So it reached nearest point a few days ago. There has been some interesting pictures taken, even with sea stars, of this object. So if you can still find it, take a picture and stick it into the gallery.
Yeah.
So we're currently still in the Ursid meteor shower. So hopefully it will still be available to see if you get any clear skies. But Christmas Day in the UK, we are hopefully going to get some clear skies. So to get some observations on the go, so could be good. Okay, so why do I keep pressing the wrong one? So we've got a waning crescent moon there, so that's still quite good, hopefully. So we should be okay. And then we've got after that we've got the quadratids, December into early January. So one after the other. It's just like the buses, really.
Absolutely.
But we do have, more importantly, the Space Oddities Gallery. We have a few entries this week. So here we go. Now we've got a seasonal one here from Lee, which is the Cone Nebula and the Christmas Tree Cluster in Monoceros. So this done with the Sea Star and just over 6 hours altogether. Processed in Cyril and Photoshop. So he says, I hope you all have a happy and healthy Christmas and a new year. And if you don't like Christmas or find it hard this time of year, just take your time to regain inner peace and do what you like to do. There we go. Yes. So this is his image.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well done, sir.
Lovely.
With the cone pointing downwards from the top.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely.
When I've not done, I haven't done that one for a few years, so I need an update, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so our next one will be from Jerry of the Flaming Star Nebula in Auriga. And he's got 6 hours of this with his Optilon L Extreme. And this is what he's managed to collect that.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Lovely.
Yeah, that is nice.
Very good. A nice close-up shot there. Well done. Okay, so it's me, who also happened at probably the same night or so, also took a picture of the Flaming Star Nebula.
Hey.
I've got 6 hours with my little Red Cat 51. I used an Optilon L Ultimate filter on this one, so not quite the same sort of thing, but I've got a slightly wider field than the previous image.
Oh, nice one.
And you can see the thousands and thousands of stars that are in the picture there.
Wow.
So there we go. Two interesting pictures of the same object with different fields of view. And that's all we have for this week's gallery, unfortunately, but not to worry. All well and good.
Thank you very much. Okay. Well, there we are. Viewers, thank you so much for sending your images in. As always, if you'd like to contribute to our weekly viewers gallery, you know what to do. I hope you do. Attach your image to an email, one image per email, please, and mail it off to gallery@spaceoddities.space, and we will put it in our weekly gallery. Derek says, why are there lots of galaxies in Leo? Would it because we're looking into a galactic arm? Not a galactic arm, but you are looking towards the direction of the Virgo cluster of galaxies, which in turn is part of the Coma supercluster of galaxies. So in Leo, there just happened to be sort of line of sight looking along to the Virgo cluster, which has got lots of galaxies in. So there we are. That's why you see them in Leo. And some lovely images there in the gallery again. Okay, so we're going to move on now to our constellation of the week, which again is Roger. He's been a
hang on.
Oh, okay, I don't see it there.
No, it disappeared when I lost
Oh,
my all day.
okay.
Let me just go and post that up in a moment. It won't take long.
Yeah. So while Roger's
hang on.
out, I'd like to ask.
There we are.
Oh,
Is that there? Can you sit?
It's just okay. So constellation of the week. Over to you again, Roger.
Okay, so we've got Leo, which is gradually coming up, so it's almost appropriate for this time of the year, although it is still rather low down. But it's just a preview of what will be coming up in the next few months. Okay, so it's one of the 12 zodiacal signs, but the less about that, the better. So we do have the first labourer, what it said. Leo represents the fearsome Nemean lion whose hide no weapon could pierce, and it was defeated by Hercules in his legendary first labour. So there we go. You can see a statue of the event, and Hercules wore the lion's impenetrable skin as armour, transforming defeat into a unmatched strength and protection. So there we go. I bet he was pleased that day. And Egyptians revered Leo as the house of the sun, marking a precise point where the sun rose after creation, a sacred astronomical marker of cosmical origin.
Oh, there you are.
So it was one of the 48 constellations catalogued by Ptolemy in the 2nd century, preserving ancient sky knowledge. So it's one of the now recognized 88 constellations that we now have for the constellations altogether. So where do we look? It's famously recognized by its sickle formation surrounding Leo, Major, Minor, Virgos and Sextans and Hydra. So it can be quite easily recognized, and we have quite a few of the famous images that people like to photograph there. So as you're looking towards the southern horizon, we can point out the constellations here. This will be during the latter part of the season. So we've got recognize it in a formation. It's quite a large constellation, so it's not too much of a problem to find. So Alpha Leonis is Regulus, magnitude 1.35, 79 light years away. Then we've got Beta, which is Denebola, which is magnitude 2.23. And then Algeba, which is Gamma, which is a binary star system. So having a look at two golden stars there to have a look through, should you so wish. Oh, I don't know how that happened. Well, that's a rather interesting AI constellation of Leo. I've never seen it formed that shape before, but let's okay, so what do you actually like to look at in Leo? So we've got the famous Leo triplet. This image is one of mine. Hasten to say. So we've got M65, M66, and NGC 3628, which can usually all be photographed in a reasonable sized telescope in one go. So it's interesting to see one of them almost edge on and then two slightly tilted away. So it's can be quite an interesting picture to photograph. I quite like doing it most years to see how things go. So M95 and M96 are twinned barred spirals, and they're further over to the right, just sort of the clock position from the sickle situation. And then we've also got M105, which is another elliptical galaxy near M95 and 9. And then we've got NGC 2903, And if I move on to the next slide, you'll see them all together.
Wow.
This is another one of my images that I wanted to put into to do, and that was with.
So is the NGC one the one at the bottom left?
Yeah. We got the two. If I go back, so we've got
The two
95 and 90. Yeah, so 95 and 96 are the two on the right, and then you've got down on the bottom there. So one's NGC 2903. 105 is also an elliptical galaxy. So if I go back to the next one, so we've got them there together. And there's another one down below the ones on the left hand side as well. But yeah, okay. So what else we've got? Where and when to see Orion? So we've got best to see in the northern hemisphere during the spring, and it's best around April. So it's still good to see, although the clocks will have gone forward a bit. And it's between Cancer and to the west and Virgo to the east. So once you've started to see Leo coming up, Virgo will be coming up behind it with even more galaxies to have a look at. So even more exciting things to go. So it's pretty much visible between 90 degrees 65. So the southern hemisphere get a pretty good opportunity to see Leo as well. So there we go. So what else have we got? So we've got the zodiacal sign, which is July to August, and it's associated with fierce loyalty, infectious optimism, right, and wavering determination and generous warmth of spirit. So I guess I guess that doesn't include any of us then.
No, definitely not.
No. And so it appears through art, literature, cinema, and modern media. So there we go. That's what we can have for the constellation of Leo.
Thank you very much, Roger. And that's the last constellation of the week for this year, obviously. Although we might drag Michael into doing one for next week. I don't know if he has time in all his Christmas celebrations. So
I think I might be able to manage that.
Oh, okay. All right. So we'll put you down for constellation of the week next week for the final one of the year.
Yeah.
Don't forget, viewers, if you join our Patreon, then all of these will be available to you, as well as the other presentations that we give you on Tuesday. Well, we won't give you the quizzes. I don't think there's much point in giving you the quizzes, but all the other presentations that we give you on Tuesdays, they are available to you as a Patreon member for download as PowerPoint files. So join the Patreon and get those. As well as that, when you join our Patreon, we will send you free 2 lovely astro prints featuring images taken by astrophotographers here at Space Oddities. So join the Patreon and get a couple of really nice 10x8 astro prints as well. Can't say it fairer than that. And as always, you'll be helping us out by supporting Space Oddities and helping us keep going. All right, then. Well, I think that's about it for this evening. We were only really going to do the quiz this evening, and you've all got Christmas things to be getting on with, I'm sure. So we will say goodbye to you. We will be back next week for our review of the year. Just before we go, just very quickly, let me ask Dave. Dave, have you got any space events you're looking forward to next year?
Well, I mean, I have tickets, or I have whatever to see the launch of Artemis 2.
Oh, wow.
So I am looking forward to that. If and when it occurs. I mean, supposedly the launch window is opening February 5th, but sometime to April. And I guess the big worry is I'm going to go down to Florida, and they're going to scrub the launch for a few times, and after I leave, it'll launch, that kind of thing. You can never be sure about these things, but I've never seen a launch, a big rocket launch like that. So I'm looking forward to that. That should be pretty cool.
Great. Well, get some pictures if you can.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Maybe I can do a live broadcast or something.
Well, that'd be good.
Yeah,
Kind
absolutely.
of fun.
Absolutely. We will be covering the launch of Artemis 2, as we always cover these big launches here on Space Oddities, whatever time it occurs. So we got that, but we can't give you a date. Oh, what date does it say in your ticket, Dave? Or doesn't it?
No, it doesn't. They haven't done it yet, and they already warned us. They'll tell us when they know. But,
I thought we may get a scoop there, but putting the date on the ticket.
I have no inside information.
Damn, never mind. So Artemis 2, Michael, Roger, got anything to look forward to next year?
The only one I can think of at the moment is the Federation of Astronomical Societies convention, which is in the end of June. Just bear with me, I'll get the date in a minute. But it's actually going to be in Cardiff next year.
Right.
Where is it gone? 27th of June, the Saturday.
Oh, right.
Okay. Actually in Cardiff, so I'm hoping to get down there for that. So.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. Roger, to look forward to for next year?
Oh, I haven't really thought about it yet, so we'll just have to wait and see.
Okay. All right then. So let's just have a look and see what we have got coming up in terms of launches. And let's see, Christmas Eve, we've got a Soyuz 2 launching a multi-purpose X-band radio Earth observation satellite. Christmas Day, China are launching another Long March 8A. We don't know what the payload is there. And also the next day, they are launching a Long March 3B. Carrying the Fengyun 4C satellite. Then on the 28th, we've got a Falcon 9 launch from Vandenberg, launching an Earth observation satellite for the Italian Space Agency. Also on the 28th, another Falcon 9 launch, so 2 in one day. This one out of Cape Canaveral, another Starlink launch. Then again, same day, 28th of December. A Soyuz 2 Roscosmos launching a constellation of 2 Earth observation satellites. Although we have to say that it's doubtful whether these Russian launches will take place, of course, because Russia currently.
Yeah, I was going to say something about that because I noticed. I think the ones that you've mentioned, Andy, I think they're taking place from the Plesetsk or something like that.
Right. Yeah, I was going to say.
The next Progress launch that should have gone to the space station this week.
Yeah.
I've noticed that's now delayed till March.
Right.
That would be from Baikonur.
Right. Okay.
So
then sometime late in December, we've got China launching the Kinetica 2 rocket. This is a new rocket. It's a demo flight of that. And that's really about all there is of interest. Don't forget, we've got coming up in sometime in 2026, we've got the launch of Dream Chaser, meant to be happening in 2026, the new space plane. So we will see that. Okay, so that's about it from us for this evening. Have a wonderful Christmas, everybody, and we'd just like to say thank you for your support this year, and we look forward to you joining us next year. So have a fantastic time with your friends and family over Christmas. Don't eat too little, and have a fantastic time. I see people. Sorry,
I've just got a little slide to show at the end that I didn't show on my presentation.
Okay.
Just from Kenneth Holmedal from Norway.
Oh, great. Kenneth sent us one.
It's on my What's in the Night Sky. So if you just click on that, it's ready to show.
Okay. Right, let me just put that back on then.
So.
That's nice. Hang on. Let's get rid of us.
So it says, thanks you guys for all the countless hours of excellent entertainment you provide to us on this channel.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you.
That's from Kenneth in Norway.
Norway. Lovely. Thank you.
Yeah, he's near to Bergen, so that's about the only light pollution he gets, which is a little distance away. So there we go.
Nice one.
Well, that's very kind of you, Kenneth. We will strive to provide you with even more entertainment during 2026, and that's very kind of you to do that. We are greatly honoured, sir. So thank you very much indeed. Okay, there's just one image I would like to actually finish off with. So just let me get this up on the screen, and it's a farewell image, basically. It's a farewell to Comet 3i Atlas, our third known interstellar visitor. Created so much fuss in social media, and I hope all those people who claimed it was an alien spaceship and it was going to invade the Earth or whatever, well, it's going away from us now. So and nothing happened. And as we said right along, it's a comet. So farewell, 3i Atlas. Thank you for keeping us entertained with all the stupidity on social media, and we'll never see you again. But
I think the aliens must have said, "Oh, there's nothing to see here. Let's carry on."
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we came in search of intelligent life and failed to find it. So there you are. So great. So have a lovely Christmas, everybody. We will see you back here next week. I will certainly be here. Guys, are you going to be here next week or not?
Yeah, should be.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'll be here. I'll be here.
Well, before then, guys, if you can think of just 2 or 3 of your favorite news stories of the year, we'll discuss them next week.
Nice.
And we would like to wish you all again very happy Christmas from all of us at Space Oddities. Thank you so much for your support this year, and we will see you back here next week. But if you can't make it, don't worry, we understand. So from all of us at Space Oddities, have a fantastic Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that stuff, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Oh, Andy's gone.
Oops. And we lost Andy.
That was quick.
Yeah. He usually sticks around and talks to us for a few minutes.
We're not still on, are we?